Hello, I'm Volker de Boer, and in this video I'm going to give some tips about how to handle your binoculars. These tips are important to improve the lifespan of your binoculars and increase the fun while using them. First, an important tip is to never watch directly in the sun with your binoculars. This will hurt your eyes but also damage your binoculars. It's very important that the setup of your binoculars is right. Check the link in the description how to do this. It might not be necessary to say this, but never drop your binoculars. This will damage it very badly, most likely internally. So therefore, to prevent this, always use a neck strap or, in my case, a harness. If you're with your binoculars all day in the field, your arms get tired quickly. There are some tricks to prevent this. First of all, use your eyebrows as a support for your binoculars. You get a very steady view like this. Secondly, I love a harness. A neck strap, my neck gets tired if I use it all day, and the harness supports it very steady. High-end binoculars are all waterproof. However, if they get really wet, for example after heavy rain, be sure to dry them and store them properly in a dry place. Make sure that your binoculars don't get too hot. For example, don't leave your binoculars in a car on a sunny day. When you're out in the field, you notice that your binoculars get dirty very quickly. Sand, dirt and grease will get in your lenses. Be very careful with that and clean them often. Best way to clean your binoculars on the road is a lens pen and a microfiber cloth. If you want to know more about cleaning your binoculars, check out the link in the description. These were just a few tips on how to handle your binoculars. Check the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching. See you in the field.